Okay, here's another example of a paragraph answering the writing prompt, what is one benefit of living in a rural area? So once again, we start with a very clear topic sentence, which answers the writing prompt. One major benefit of living in a rural area is the quality of the natural environment. Next, we explain the topic sentence. So from this point, the second sentence, all the way to this sentence right here, this means that there's less environmental pollution overall. That is an explanation of the topic sentence. You're giving the reader a little bit of general information about why rural areas have a better environment and have less pollution overall. Next, this writer gives an example of how the person who lives in the countryside can enjoy fresh and clean air. And of course, this example is related to the idea that there is less pollution overall. Remember that examples are given for illustrating the previous sentence. So in other words, this sentence right here, this means that there's less environmental pollution overall, is followed by an example of less environmental pollution. In this case, we're talking about less air pollution. And then another fact about the air is given. And this is followed by an additional example of how there's less pollution in the rural areas. In this case, in this sentence, the writer is discussing noise pollution and light pollution. And the last sentence is the concluding sentence, just one sentence which kind of summarizes the main idea of this paragraph. So again, we want to make sure that we have a clear topic sentence. Then we have our body sentences, which include explanations and examples. Make sure that we also include transition words in the body of the paragraph. We have, for example, we have in addition. Of course, there's many other types of transitional words and phrases you can use. And then finally, at the end of the paragraph, we include a concluding sentence, just one sentence.